dog. You'll start hands and knees on your mat. Knees directly below your hips, hands directly below your shoulders. Knees and hands hip and shoulder width apart. Find your neutral, so your ribs and your hips are in line. And you'll inhale and fill, exhale, engage, and extend opposite hand and opposite foot. Start off exhaling throughout the entire movement, and as you become more confident and sturdy, you can exhale with the lift and inhale with the lower like this. Your goal here is to keep your core, so from your shoulders to your hips, as still and stable as possible, as if you have water on your back and you don't want it to allow it to spill. Bird dog.